Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody here today. I'm Kevin here, and today I will be giving out free gifts, free token. So let's stay tuned for more. Before giving out tokens and USDT for free, I just want to share to you this MEXC platform. If you guys don't have an MEXC account yet, I will put down the link at below. You guys can register straight away. So let's get into this MEXC product, the latest news and what do they have to offer. Okay, so this is traded NFT on OpenSea. So if you ever have any NFT and you traded there on OpenSea, I believe right you guys can already able to claim this SOS airdrop now. Okay, this SOS is a free tokens whenever you're able to trade in NFT. And let's say if you guys have already have this SOS and you have no way to be traded because they will directly send it to your wallet and you have no way to do the tradings. One platform that you can able to do the tradings, buy and sell, you can always go to MEXC and do the tradings. So if you go to MEXC, right, this is MEXC, you just go to the market or you can go to the trade spot trading, you can actually see the SOS there. So right now you can do either buying and selling. And it's very honored today that I will be giving some USDT or MEXC for free, and you guys can able to test out or to buy some other tokens like SOS or TNS. I will explain later. So TNS, right, is the airdrop distribution. This one also for free. If let's say if you guys are able to get TNS for free earlier, I think you guys need to do the snapshot on the 17th of December. You guys must make a purchase before the snapshot date and must have at least 15 transaction on Terra wallet. So if you guys have any transaction being made on Terra wallet, 15 transaction, not only Terra name service before the snapshot must spend at least 16 USD on TNS money. So there are total of qualified 101.98 qualified wallet from a total of 24,268 wallets that have interacted with TNS contracts. So if you guys are able to get this TNS airdrop, you can also go into this MEXC platform to do some tradings. You can either go and sell it there or you can actually buy more if you want to. And I think like I said, MEXC Global right, all the while also will list all these new good tokens outside first before any other platform launches. So if you guys want to invest on new projects or new tokens, you can always look into MEXC Global, look at the Spotlight Finance, look at the banner, what do they have to offer. And you can see once you click on the banner, you can see the first few popular search will be always on top. So it will have the opportunity and make you easier for you to search for new tokens or new projects and study more about the project before do any investment. Okay, so the free airdrop or the free gift for New Year, I will be doing for you on live. So I will be opening up my phone right now, as you can see on my screen. So I need to go to the MEXC apps and look for the red envelope. Can you see here? There's a red envelope here on the banner. So I will be deciding to send 40 MEXC worth of 100 USDT to 100 of fans outside. Of course, this one only apply to new users. So if you guys make sure to have a new account in order to claim this USDT. Okay, so let's get started. So I will be put 100 members to get it, and I will put there crypto MY New Year. Okay, so I will be putting this and be this. Okay, so I already able to do it, and you can see this is the QR code to claim that 100 USDT worth of MX tokens in MEXC. So in order for you to join, make sure to scan this to get the red envelope from me. And I'm very happy to do this before 31st of December, New Year. I able to give some giveaway for you guys. But I also want to take this initiative to thanks MEXC for doing the sponsor for this giveaway event. And whoever don't have an account yet in MEXC, remember I will put down the link at below somewhere here. You guys can register and then just do the claiming for the red envelope here. Okay, so I see you guys soon, and then goodbye.